To buy stocks on the Fidelity mobile app, you first need to download and install the app on your mobile device. Once installed, open the app and log in to your Fidelity account using your username and password. If you do not have a Fidelity account, you can create one directly through the app. After logging in, navigate to the trade screen by tapping on the trade icon, which is usually represented by a graph or a chart. From the trade screen, select the type of account you want to use to buy stocks, such as a brokerage account or an IRA. Next, enter the stock symbol or the name of the company you want to buy in the search bar. For example, if you want to buy Apple stocks, you can type AAPL or Apple. The app will then display the current price of the stock, along with other relevant information such as the daily high and low, and the current trading volume. To place a buy order, tap on the buy button and enter the number of shares you want to purchase. You can also set a specific price at which you want to buy the stock, known as a limit order. Alternatively, you can choose to buy the stock at the current market price, known as a market order. Review your order carefully to ensure that all the details are correct, including the stock symbol, the number of shares, and the price. Once you have confirmed that all the details are correct, tap on the Confirm button to place the order. Your order will then be executed, and the stocks will be added to your portfolio. You can monitor the performance of your stocks and adjust your portfolio as needed directly through the app. It is always a good idea to do your research and set a budget before buying stocks. You should also consider your investment goals and risk tolerance before making any investment decisions. Additionally, keep in mind that buying and selling stocks involves fees and commissions, so be sure to review the fees associated with your Fidelity account before placing a trade. By following these steps, you can easily buy stocks on the Fidelity mobile app and start building your investment portfolio. Remember to always prioritize your financial goals and do your research before making any investment decisions.